If you use Google Chrome every day, chances are you've saved a lot of passwords without even thinking about it. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage passwords in Google Chrome, including how to view saved passwords, edit them, and delete them when you no longer need them. This is a simple but super useful skill, especially if you want to keep your logins organized and up to date. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know to make more videos like this for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can control everything from privacy and appearance to autofill and passwords. On the left-hand side, look for autofill and passwords. Click that option and then select Google Password Manager. This is the area where Chrome stores and manages all of your saved login details. If you've ever clicked save on a password prompt, this is where that information ends up. Now let's look at how to view saved passwords. Under the password section, you'll see a list of websites that have saved login details in Chrome. Scroll through the list and click on any account you want to open. Chrome will usually hide the password for security, so to reveal it, click the eye icon. Depending on your computer settings, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity first. On Windows, this could mean entering your Windows password or using a PIN. This extra step is there to make sure only you can view your saved passwords. Once you complete that verification, Chrome will show the password. Next, let's talk about editing saved passwords. Maybe you changed your login on a website, updated your username, or want to correct an old password. To do that, open the saved login entry you want to modify, then click Edit. From here, you can update the username and password fields as needed. After you make your changes, click Save to store the updated login information in Chrome. This is really helpful if you've changed your password on a website and want Chrome to remember the new one, so you don't keep running into login issues later. Now, if there's a password you no longer want saved, deleting it is just as easy. Open the saved login entry, then click Delete. Chrome will remove that password from Google Password Manager. That means it won't appear in your saved list anymore, and you'll need to enter it manually the next time you sign in to that website. If you're managing a lot of accounts, this can be a great way to clean up old logins, remove duplicates, or delete passwords for accounts you no longer use. It's also a smart move if you're trying to keep your browser more organized. So just to recap, open Chrome, go to Settings, open Autofill and Passwords, then Google Password Manager. From there you can view saved passwords by opening an entry and clicking the eye icon, edit passwords by selecting Edit and saving your changes, or delete passwords by selecting Delete. And that's it. Now you know how to manage passwords in Google Chrome like a pro. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.